Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good time to all of you. How are you all? Actually, it is my first time in front of camera. That's why I'm little bit of nervous. So if I make any mistake, please forgive me. Thank you so very much for giving me a great opportunities to say something about myself. My name is Nazmul Islam Shoikat. You may call me by my nickname, that is Shoikat. Basically, I'm from Kumilla, and but now I'm living at Mohammadpur in Dhaka. Actually, I'm a student. Recently, I have completed my SSC examination from Ibrahim School and College, and but now I am doing basic plus IELTS course at English Fantasy. Uh, Basically, I'm a sports lover. My favorite sports is playing football, and also my favorite footballer is Lionel Messi, and my favorite club is FC Barcelona. You know, FC Barcelona now on the top of La Liga table, and last night they beaten Atletico Madrid. Okay, now I also like to read books because it makes me self-motivated, and if I in my free time I like to spend it with my families, and if I get a long vacation, I like to travel with my friends because I can share everything with them. I dislike cheating, backbiting, and also smoking. And my future plan is to be an engineer, and also my next goal is to get a good result in IELTS. Uh, Thank you so very much for listening me patiently. It's all about me. So,